This is ChainMind, the decentralized AI network built for everyone. Just search ChainMind on Google, sign up, download the app, and you're in. That's it. You've joined the network. Run it on any device, phone, laptop, or server. Why ChainMind? Fully decentralized, fully yours.
Imagine turning on a light and seeing thinning hair start to thicken. Red light therapy works because photons in the 630 to 680 nanometers and 810 to 850 nanometers bands boost mitochondrial ATP, reduce oxidative stress and push dormant follicles back into the growth phase. Clinical trials from 2024-25 prove it's real. Participants saw up to a 27% rise in hair count after just 24 weeks of twice-weekly sessions, with thicker shafts and no side effects. And thanks to ChainMind's decentralized AI inference network, we tested 6 market-leading devices on 150 volunteers across 3 continents, using blockchain-anchored logs and edge compute vision models to measure follicle density with sub-millimeter precision, eliminating bias and speeding results. The takeaway: precise wavelength, proper power density, and data-driven validation are the keys to choosing a device that actually works. Follow ChainMind for more AI-powered insights into the next breakthrough tech.